Welcome to Cultivating Positivity. Hypnosis for rewiring negative thoughts and building a positive mindset. In this session, we will focus on transforming negative thought patterns and fostering a more positive, optimistic outlook on life. Find a quiet, comfortable space to sit or lie down, and let's embark on our journey towards a more positive mindset. Begin by taking a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed and your mind becoming calmer. As you continue to breathe deeply, focus your attention on your toes. Feel them gently relax as you let go of any tension. Slowly, allow this relaxation to spread up through your feet, your ankles, and into your lower legs. As your muscles release, feel the tension melting away. Continuing up your body, feel the relaxation spread into your thighs and hips. Let your legs become heavy and fully at ease. As you breathe in, imagine a warm, soothing energy filling your entire body, releasing any lingering stress or tension. Allow this warm energy to continue flowing up through your abdomen and chest. Relaxing your back and shoulders as it goes. Feel any tightness or discomfort dissolving away. Leaving your upper body feeling light and serene. As this calming energy reaches your neck and jaw, let go of any tension you may be holding there. Allow your face to soften, your eyebrows to release, and your eyes to gently close. Feel a wave of relaxation wash over your entire body, leaving you in a state of complete tranquility. Now, imagine yourself standing at the entrance to a beautiful, vibrant garden. This garden represents your inner sanctuary of positivity and optimism. As you stroll through the garden, notice the bright, colorful flowers, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the soothing sounds of birdsong. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in the present moment. Embracing the beauty and positivity that surrounds you. Find a comfortable spot within the garden to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and visualize a golden, radiant light shining down upon you. This light represents the power of positivity, washing away any negative thoughts or emotions. As you bask in this warm, healing light, feel it permeating every cell of your body, dissolving any negativity and replacing it with a sense of peace, optimism, and positivity. As you continue to embrace the healing power of positivity, silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations. I choose to cultivate a positive mindset and outlook on life. I choose to cultivate a positive mindset and outlook on life. I release negative thoughts and embrace the power of positive thinking. I release negative thoughts and embrace the power of positive thinking. I am worthy of happiness, success, and love. I am worthy of happiness, success, and love. I am grateful for the abundance and joy that life has to offer. I am grateful for the abundance and joy that life has to offer. I face each day with optimism, courage, and hope. I face each day with optimism, courage, and hope. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the connection to your physical body and slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the positivity and optimism you've cultivated during this session. As you move through your daily life, remember the power of positive thinking and the impact it can have on your well-being and overall quality of life. Make a conscious effort to practice positivity and gratitude, allowing these habits to shape your mindset and experiences.